Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, Asupanda back again. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's check the mic's working. Yes, I think the mic's working. I hope you are enjoying the nice audio quality. So, as the title suggests, this is basically my take on the National Expressway 1, NE1, so to speak. So National Expressway 1 is basically the expressway which is between Vadodara and Ahmedabad. Now, it's a fine road with patches of, as I have said before, I like bitumen roads. I don't like cement roads if they are not made well. Now, it's a pleasure to drive on unless you don't have to overtake anyone. Why? Because unlike most other expressways, this is I would say 2.5 lane expressway on each side. So basically, instead of saying 6 lanes, you can say basically about 5.75. The reason I say that is because mostly we all like to drive in the overtaking lane, so nobody drives in the lane that we need to drive, as you can see right now. But if you have to overtake somebody and two people are driving at the same speed, you cannot take the third lane, because the third lane is even though it is as wide as a big vehicle, just because it has that hard shoulder, you don't feel very confident doing that. So yeah, it's basically, I'll tell you what, naming it expressway, yeah, for the name's sake, yes. But is it an expressway? No, I don't think so. On top of that, Gujarat application of traffic rules to people and by police as well is basically, okay. So which is good in a way that, the cops here, the traffic cops here are really not yet very aggressive. But at the same point of time, it would be really nice if they could implement at least a few things, because I've seen quite a few vehicles, like even this vehicle, I think, driving in front does not have a full number plate, or people have written their names on their number plates or whatever. That is not a number plate, because if you get in an incident with such a person, right, and he's intentionally basically hiding. Now see, now you have a slow moving vehicle on your left, slow moving vehicle in front of you. You want people behind who want to pass. So what do? You have to go to the shoulder to overtake, which in a hatchback or a small car is okay. But see, as you can just see that the way that Innova went. So yeah, National Expressway 1, just for the sake of it, well, doesn't make sense. It has a beautiful divider, lovely flowers, very well maintained divider, right? With even the road quality is brilliant. But I won't say it's an expressway. It's just another highway, right? Just putting expressway in front of names and saying expressways does not make them expressways. Or maybe the reason why we want to call them expressways is because we want to keep perpetually collecting toll tax, which probably after a point of time on normal highways could be. I'm not suggesting anything, neither I'm criticizing anyone. I'm just saying that this is what it is. And I'm eagerly waiting for that Delhi-Mumbai expressway to get completed, because it's been going on for a while, and I think it's still there in patches. See, now you got 4 vehicles side by side, and it's chaos, right? So well, yeah. Anyways, another thing. Yes, to my subscribers. So, my apologies for not regularly uploading content because, see, we are not really that pro who are making their livelihoods from YouTube. I would love my livelihood to come from YouTube because the channel is monetized, but then again, I have not seen a single penny till now because I do not even get those views. And also, humble request to anybody watching, share it with at least one more person, and it does not take long to hit that like button, right?
Please.
Yeah, please, literally pretty please with cherry on top. So right now we have to find a way. And yes, in the next video I'm going to basically be talking about the setup that I use in my car, in this one, the bigger one, Kenji, right? I'm basically using 2 GoPros, and why haven't I shifted over to DJI or anything else? Because I'm sure people have seen the videos that I made with Insta360 and all that, and why I'm not such a big fan of Insta360, although it's a very novel idea, right? But then again, why not? Also, why haven't I moved over to DJI, and why I'm still an ardent fan of GoPros? That is also something that I will make a video on. Because the reason I'm making a video on that is because I'm sure there are people out there just like me who want to understand if you want to capture a particular footage, because doesn't it happen with you if you're doing this YouTube channels and all, that you're also trying to guess what setup the other person is using, right? And how could it become easier? Because there is a lot of trial and error that has gone from the first vlog that I had made in my Hulk Safari, which I miss, but then again, she is in good hands as well. So first I started using, because initially I just invested in 1 GoPro, and then then the media mods and mounts, one lapel mic, another lapel mic, wireless lapel mic. See, as you can see, it's not very easy for somebody to pass. So people who are regular, who are like really heavy drivers, so to speak, for them it's okay, but like people who and yes, wrong side driving. I cannot stress enough that when you are actually coming down the wrong side, you are not only endangering your life, you are endangering somebody else's life. So anyways, I'll probably say that in Hindi as well. यार अगर गलत साइड से आ रहे हो ना, तो कोई बड़ा स्टडनेस नहीं कर रहे हो और कोई ज़्यादा तेल नहीं बचा लोगे आप अपनी जान को खतरे में डाल रहे हो, और जो सामने से आ रहा है उसकी जान को खतरे में जा रहे हो। तो वो बेचारा शायद सही चल रहा हो, मगर आपकी गलती से दोनों का कार्यक्रम हो जाएगा। एक दूसरा, भाई हम जितना मर्जी स्वच्छ भारत और जितना मर्जी हम ये बोलते रहें कि अरे वो कंट्री, हम बड़ा खुश हो जाते हैं फॉरेन कंट्री, अरे क्या सफाई है, क्या बड़ी। भाई उनके लोग वहाँ पे सर्विसेज अच्छी होंगी, वहाँ पे कचरा इकट्ठे करने वाले अच्छे होंगे, सफाई कर्मचारी अच्छे होंगे, हमारे यहाँ पे भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, मगर खुद सीखो ना यार। हाँ, क्या मजा आ रहा है, मतलब घर के अंदर तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं तो हम जूते बाहर उतार के जा रहे हैं ताकि बाहर का धूल मिट्टी हम अपने घर के अंदर ना लेके जाएं, घर को एक मंदिर के समान रखें। भाई अपने पूरे देश को भी मंदिर समान रखो ना, है ना, ये भी अपना ही घर है। तो एनीवेज, I go on these rants. Crafty wifey is just, I think she's taking a nap. She's like, I'm not interested. She's frustrated. No matter how much you say to these people, they'll not listen. So, how difficult is it? यार, कितना मुश्किल है। एक चिप्स का पैकेट खाया, खिड़की से बाहर फेंकना या उसको गाड़ी में रखना और जहाँ डस्टबिन मिले वहाँ फेंक देना, कितना मुश्किल है।
It's not that heavy,
है ना। और वो चिप्स के पैकेट का इतना वेट नहीं है कि अगर आप उसको गाड़ी में रख के रखोगे शायद आपकी गाड़ी की एवरेज खराब हो जाएगी। भाई रख लो, आगे फेंक दो, है ना। तो वही बात है यार, सीखो, अपने बच्चों को सिखाओ, ठीक है। साफ रहना कोई बुरी बात नहीं है। ये हम जितना मर्जी बोल दें कि उसकी जिम्मेवारी, इसकी, अरे भाई साहब अपनी जिम्मेवारी है। है ना, दूसरा करता है। देखिए आप बंद कीजिए, दूसरे का तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, दूसरे का तो लोग भी बोलेंगे। जैसे 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 होता जाएगा, हम लोग बड़े खुश होते हैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, अरे लोग ट्रैफिक रूल फॉलो कर रहे थे, भाई पूरे देश में फॉलो कर लो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है। बड़े खुश होते हैं, अरे वहाँ पे कितना साफ गांव है, तो अपना गांव भी साफ कर लो, मुश्किल नहीं है, आप मत डालो, ठीक है। एनीवेज, सो इस वीडियो का इतना ही रखते हैं। इफ यू लाइक समथिंग प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन, प्लीज एटलीस्ट शेयर विद वन पर्सन, and thank you for all the new subscribers, thank you for comments, and yes, our friends are coming from Pune, so yes, we will do a lot of vlogging with them. And also I have now figured out that how I can regularly keep uploading some content or the other. And this is the first cab driver since morning that I've seen who has a commercial vehicle and is driving in the speed limit of 80 kilometers per hour. So good, excellent. I would like to applaud him because यार एटलीस्ट देखिए यही है ना, बाकी ओवर स्पीडिंग करे, वो अपनी स्पीड फॉलो करे, और हम भी उसके पीछे 2 मिनट रुक सकते हैं जब रास्ता मिल जाएगा। अभी आराम से रास्ता मिल गया, अभी हम ओवरटेक कर लेंगे, ठीक है। सो ऑल दैट आई कैन से नाउ इज थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, कीप वॉचिंग, अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, ओशी कीमती तावा।